from her locker to her first class, and that's when she heard her voice saying, "Hey, pumpkin, missed my," he said from behind to her ears, and turned towards him to say, "Not actually," she said with a tight smile, looking at him. Taehyung, "Oh, that's," he said, making Ryan roll her eyes, and took her back to go to class. Taehyung, "Why did you absent yesterday?" he asked, but she remained quiet, making him say, "Don't worry, pumpkin, I won't say to Professor," he said, making Ryan stop on her tracks and looked at him. "Wait, so is that you who came to look at me at night?" Ryan said, making Taehyung looked at here and there and said, "No, no, no. Why would I?" he said while looking at you and before saying, "So, are you missing me that much that you're about me?" he said, making Ryan go from there. "No, why would I?" she immediately said for his, "and I took leave to meet my fiancé," Ryan said teasingly to look at his reaction. "You can't lie, pumpkin. And why would I?" she said, making Taehyung said immediately, "Your mom and my mom are best friends, and they both talk each other for their little things. And do you think your auntie would tell?" Shiba forgot to tell to Aarti. She said, making Taehyung looked at her with making him ask, "Is that so? That who is he?" But before Ryan said, bell rang, making Ryan ran to classroom, leaving Taehyung behind, and ran after her to the classroom. They both went to class, and the whole class is filled with a hum of conversations. But today is a different topic since everyone is talking about one guy. Sarah, "Hey Ryan, you know what? Today one new transfer guy is coming, and I heard he's so handsome and cool." "Sarah, don't. Your is already giving to you," Wine whispered, making Sarah awkwardly look at her, who is now looking at her. And after looking at his, Sarah quickly turned her face and looked at Wine before saying, "Man, I don't even choose him if he wasn't the one." "So, you don't love him?" "Actually, he may look like a guy, but he's genuine." "Then why are you getting hyped for this new guy?" Wine asked. "To tease him, since he teased me while being so close to his best friend." "Mia, you put O face to her words, and I just gave the same expression to him." "Wait, I will just go to cool my boo boo before she said, making Wine chuckle and looked at her direction to her boyfriend Jack and Sarah sit beside him. Wine smiled warmly, looking at them, and turned her head to front to her fingers, but her suddenly urged to look at Taehyung raised, making her look at Taehyung. After seeing his face, since it doesn't include any, and that's when they looked at each other that long before Taehyung looked away to friend. Taehyung, "Oh, so in this all years, now you looked at me." He thought for a second and started thinking about the conversation before. Taehyung, "Oh, what if it's all true that now she had fiancé?" Feeling rushed in him with the thought of it, making him look at her again. But everyone's attention drifted towards friends since Professor came and said, "So, students, I'm so sorry for coming late and all you know, and I heard about you around the door. Welcome to the new one," he said while looking at the boy who's standing at the door while smiling towards him, making him smile back and stand at the center of the class. And when he came, Wine eyes widened looking at him, and Sarah looked at Wine before silently came to sit beside her, asking, "Isn't he your fiance?" "Your fiance?" "Hello, I'm Jungkook, your new classmate," he said while looking at Wine, making Taehyung suspicious, and looked at Wine, who's still looking at Jungkook, without blinking. "I want to sit beside Wine," he said, making Taehyung give to Jungkook. "Oh, okay, you can," Professor said, and Jungkook walked towards Wine, making Sarah sit beside her. Taehyung, what he is to her? That he's asking to sit beside her. He's looking at both of them talking with his. "Why did you came?" she whispered, who was sitting beside her. "For someone special," he whispered at her eyes, making Taehyung. Taehyung then looked at Wine from Sana, who was talking to her PF while looking at Wine and Jungkook like she's saying something, thinking to ask her if she could tell about Wine. "Professor, Taehyung, bring your book," Professor said, making Taehyung looked at his. Wine looked at Taehyung, who was going towards Professor without any book. She got tensed. "Professor, where is your book?" he asked, making all the class looking at the scene. But the bell rang before Professor see the book and said, well, since Mr. Chuck didn't came, so you can go home. Said making all students happy. Come, we'll go to canteen. Wine said, making Jungkook nodded her head. And while they were going, Taehyung stopped Wine, making Jungkook look at Taehyung. What? I need to talk with you, he said with his making all students looked at him, but his one look is enough for she won't. You're no one to in this. Jungkook chuckled and said, if I tell you, don't even to stand here, he said, making Daehyun give a look to Jungkook. By sensing the tension between them, Vian stepped between them. Even her height didn't help to stop there. Jungkook stopped, she said while stopping him to move forward. Is he your fiance? He finally asked what he's holding. And you just looked at his Jungkook, yes. Why did you say that, Jungkook? Wine asked Jungkook. What? That I'm your fiance. You talk a lot. And did you see how he's acting there? But Wine stopped looking at Taehyung who entered, and when he saw both of them, he went again from there. Wine did he only get that I didn't talk to him? She thinking, making Jungkook hold her hand, making Wine looked at him. Don't think too much. He said, making Wine say, but again she thought of him. Why his voice break while asking about my Jungkook? Wine, will you show me the whole campus since it's already a holiday? Hey guys, did you see where he's staying? Actually, I wanted to go with him. Wine, I don't, Jungkook. He went this side. He said while showing the direction, making Wine looked at Jungkook with and said, what? Is she your? Wine looked at him for 5 seconds before shaking her head and get up. I don't know why I feel like whenever that Kia tried to talk with. And after thinking about this, a sudden thought crossed her mind. Jungkook, let's go, he said, making Wine nodded and go. She showed him the whole campus, but she didn't find Taehyung there. So can we go home now? Don't need to feel bad. After all, he said, making you sigh. Come, I will drop you, and don't be too kind. He said, making Wine hummed and sit on the car. Well, I guess I don't need to think about him that much since he all day, but never make me. Why I'm thinking about him this much. Well, I guess I should go to my room after I step into my home and sleep, she said to herself, not knowing that there is someone. Wine went to her home without the door and slept there, and after some time the door opened with sound, making Wine turn to other side to sleep. And that person went to Wine and lay beside her and looked at her with lot of emotions. And by sensing a strong, she opened her eyes. And when she saw Taehyung beside her, she making Taehyung and he is making you put your hand. But seeing he stopped and looked at you. Yeah, why did you? She said while on his Wine. If you did it, go. You said, making him chuckle and said, yeah, that's what I want to, so that auntie and uncle will come to this room and get you married with me, since they have been asking us to get married. He said, making Wine looked at him with, I guess you know why are you, right? For Taehyung. You said that you have. He said, making you there awkwardly. Wine. Of course I do. Taehyung, you wanted another from me? Did you get with it already? He said, coming closer to you, making you go back. Wine. Yeah. Go. Taehyung, Jungkook already told me everything, pumpkin. He said, making you widen your eyes. Wine. What did he told you? She asked. While Vian went to Jungkook just stood there scrolling mobile, and that's when Taehyung came with and making Jungkook on the floor. And when he saw Taehyung, he tried to get up. You love, he said, making Jungkook's eyes widen and immediately asking Jungkook, you know her? Taehyung, she's my sister, and I saw you chatting with her in her mobile. Jungkook, is she here? Stop your dramas. And don't you have any that you're with my sister while being fiancé of Vian? Yes, I'm her fiancé, but he said, making Taehyung and made him, and with the Jungkook pushed him and hold his mouth. Jungkook, but we don't love each other. He said, making Taehyung stop on his foot and looked at him. Because you didn't say anything for marrying with Wine. Her mom wants me as their daughter. husband. And trust me, Wine, surely Wine loves you. Since she felt when you're with Kia, just like you're when she's with me, said making Taehyung go towards you but stopped after an idea popped. Sorry, I gotta go. Go treat yourself, he said and went away making Jungkook go to medical room and treat himself. Came outside and White, who's searching for him from past, what happened? Nothing. So you got when I'm with, he said teasingly making you say, Wine, but why? Because with Kia you just took her book and with me you just by he said making him looked at you with side eyes and said, not what you want me to do. But you should yourself and act like with me and you should stop others too. Because I want my husband has a good man. Yeah, I will be a good gentleman, but you should give me. I guess we should marry them before they did something. One voice came behind, making both of them look at the voice, and Vine covered her face already. Subscribe.